Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that we've asked the angels in prayer or meditation for help, for assistance, and guidance. And we are getting strong in our bodies, our minds, and in spirit. We're waking up now in the mornings excited for the new day. We want to have fun and enjoy the brightness that's around us. Things that worried us tremendously, we easily overcoming these things, and we have a bright future ahead of us. As far as of our resources, our financials go, we've had great worry over nothing. And what we're doing now is we're not seeking anyone else's approval. We've released feelings of regret and guilt and worry over to our angels in this area. There's good news coming our way as far as our resources go, and we're going to be so happy and grateful for where we are at the moment. And the unicorn spirit says it's okay to be different. You don't need to be like everyone else. You're perfect just the way you are. You're confident, you're enthusiastic, and you're courageous. And you instinctively know what to do in any situation. You're choosing peace over chaos, and you are actually surprised at the outcome of these choices that you're making for yourself. There is a powerful transformation in store, and you have to embrace it. And then there is a warning for December month that we must not be greedy. There are lots of love and blessings that are going to fill your life. And so carry on looking after you. Stay aligned with your higher self. That is your divine. There is good luck coming our way. Justice is coming where you felt a financial pinch, and we were also, a lot of us, dealing with a grey headed man. Those problems are being solved, and we surprisingly we are filling our lives with love. The angels are doing that for us. Yes, there the card is. We have been guided in all these things that we went through. And our loved ones want us to know, become your true self. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to be.